seems to notice that he's sitting there, but he is starting to flutter his wings. Looking around at the other birds now. Plenty of them around. I just don't want them to poke him. They tend to argue and fight over that feeder.